Okay, we've got an interesting question on how do we capture these big moves, guys, using Sniper Pro. This is on gold on the 15-minute, guys. So we got this double bottom here, perfectly on the support. This is the banking level. It's blue. We got a double bottom here, and then we got a wick down to it, and then it started going up, guys. So how do we take these big moves? Very, very simply, as we go along here, we start seeing an entry right here. Okay, so perfectly, Sniper Pro called out a scorecard. You would get in here, that was your entry where the white line is. You put your TP1 here and your TP and your stop loss here. And you can see immediately, don't forget these candles are 15 minutes, so it's not really immediate. I just fast forwarded quickly. We hit TP1, you would have got out here with your pips, okay, TP1. But then if we are on our next set of rules, the 1-3 rules, guys, let's see what happens then. We hit TP2, we carry on going up. Now remember, we do have to get through this EMA, which is the 55. We do have to get through this EMA, which is a golden EMA. That's a tough one. That is the magnet. So we're expecting it, really expecting it to go there and then possibly pull back a little bit. And we've still got to get through this banking level, and this banking level. And then our next target would be the purple. So right here, we've got to get through this banking level, 55 EMA, the trend level EMA, it will turn blue when we cross it. This banking level, this is possibly where we're going to aim for, the magnet. But if it does go through that, we've got a banking level there, then the purple, then another banking level. That's what we look at when we're looking at these longer term trades, guys. It's 15 minutes. Let's just see what happens. And now what you can see is, look, we got a little bit of a pullback here. Although they're still blue candles, they've got red outlines. But look what's happening on the sniper later. We've got 1, 2 ball points right there for buys. Trend direction turn blue right there on this candle here. And now back here, we're looking to cross the 50% trend direction line and go into the buy zone. Right now we're still in the sell zone, but we're looking to go in the buy zone. So what happens now is once we've broken through TP2, we pull back a little bit. If it breaks through TP2 again, guys, I'm going to move my stop loss from here up to TP1. Okay, so let's just carry on and see what happens here. Okay, we didn't do anything. We didn't go down. We still carried on. There we go. We closed above here. We closed above here. TP2. So now what I'm going to do, this TP1 is only applicable for the 1-1 rules, guys. So I'm going to delete it because we don't set TP1s on anything other than 1-1 rules. Remember, these are just targets here. They're not, we don't set it so it automatically gets us out. That's only the 1-1 rules. This video is about how we get more than the 1-1 rules, more than TP1. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take our stop loss here, and we're going to move it up to TP1 right there. So we've locked in the same profits on the 1-1 rules, but now we've got the potential of running with this trade. This is how we do it. This is all in the rules, guys. We're just on the 1-1 rules. It's still the beginner rules. And look, we're still going up. We're still going up. Now what we want to do is see what happens when it hits the trend level. Yeah, look, it turned blue right there. So we went through this banking level, turned blue there. Now we want to see if we go through this banking level. Now what we're going to do is we're going to move our stop loss here up to TP2. So now we've locked in this profit from entry here to TP2. This is how we lock in continuing profits, guys. We're still going up. Now we're looking at that banking level. Are we going to cross it? What's going to happen? Don't forget, down at the bottom here, we're well in the buy zone. We're not overbought yet. Trend direction is buy. PSARs are well below. We're well above the blue fast-moving EMAs. Now we've crossed the 55 EMA trend level, and we are still looking good. So we're looking for that. We're starting to wick off that banking level there, so we are a little concerned, but nothing tells us how to get out yet. We're not hitting our PSARs or anything. Now what I would do, guys, I would lock in some more profits. I would start trailing along my PSARs. So right now we're now trailing along that PSAR there. So I've locked in profits above TP1 already. Let's see what happens when we continue going. See if we break this banking level. Looks like we're going to break it. There we go. There we go. We're heading for that golden EMA, guys. So now we're a little bit nervous, so we're going to get a reversal there. So now what I would do here is I would be trailing along these PSARs here. So there's my last one there. Let's see what happens as we continue. I'm going to want to be trailing along those stop losses, those PSARs right there. So I'm right here. This PSAR is right there, guys. I'm trailing very, very tight now. Because look, we've got all these pips, right? Guys, we want pips in the bag. We don't want to give these up. So it's okay to trail really, really tight now, because you've locked in all those pips. If the PSAR flips, we know we're out. But the PSAR did not flip. It's carry on going. Looks like it wants to hit our golden EMA. Let's see what happens, guys. We've got we're on that last PSAR. Oh, now we're up there. Now our PSAR, we can move our stop loss right up to that PSAR there, guys. Let's lock that in. Let's lock that in. Let's see what happens. We're rejecting off that golden EMA, but the PSARs are still on our side. Still on our side. They haven't popped yet. Let's move our stop loss. We're on our PSARs right there. Let's see what happens. We're still going. We're still going. We're still going. PSARs right up there now, guys. Now, I know that's scary to get so tight, guys, but remember, it might reverse off this level. So now that's why we're so tight, because we want to lock in as many pips as we can, while still giving a little bit of room to see if it's going to go up further. Oh, there's our PSAR flip there. So we're out right there, guys. And that would have given us, from entry point here up to take profit there, 5,679 pips, guys. 5,679 pips. That's how you take these big, big trades, by following the rules.